Hi, I'm Katie Skilton. I'm a creative designer here at Sizzix, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some perfect frames for giving as teacher gifts, because coming to the end of the year all the children want to give gifts to their teachers, so I thought maybe a little homemade gift. So here's what we're going to be making today. So we're going to do these. Obviously you could personalise these and you could make them, you know, with the teachers' names on if you wanted to, but these are quick little makes, perfect for last minute gifts. So we're going to take our big shop and we're going to do some die cutting. Now what I've done, I've actually printed the sentiments already onto this cardstock. So this is the Sizzix cardstock. I've printed this just using my printer, and we'll trim this off. So if we take the frame, take these mini frames, and we're just going to get the sizing right on them first of all. Take all the pieces out, and we'll use the aperture as the template. So I'm literally, this is where my frame's going to sit, so I'm going to pop those on. I'm just literally going to draw a line where I need it, and then I can trim around that. Actually, let's cut that big bit first, because I'm going to use that other sentiment in a minute for something else. So I'm just going to cut through it. Put that one to the side. There we go. So now we've got our sentiments. Pop that away. So this is going to be our base. So what we can actually now do is pop that into our frame, and we can decorate it there. That way you've got a good idea of the spacing and things. I'm going to use the glass, so I'm going to just pop the glass behind. I just think sometimes the glass detracts, you get the reflection, so I'm going to leave the glass out. We've got that one there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our big hearts die here, and I'm going to cut the heart from some mount board first of all, just to give it some dimension. So just a scrap piece of mount board. I'm going to pop that through, and I'm just using the smallest heart on that one. So that's our heart, and then we're going to cut that again from some white cardstock. And we'll join these two together. Oh, I've got a pin in there still, yeah. Those two together. As I say, it just gives it dimension. You can't actually see the mount board, but it's lovely to just lift up the page a bit. Pop that one into the frame like so. Leave that to dry a second, so we'll pop that to the side, and while that's drying we can die cut all the framelits. So I'm using the Pretty Posy, which is the new release from chapter 3. So really pretty little flowers in that one. And we're just going to take some of our cardstock. Again, I am using the Sizzix cardstock. And we'll die cut some of these flowers. Take some green as well. Actually, let's cut that down, then we can fit it all through at once. I apologise if you can hear seagull noises. All these through at once. So let's find a plate. So pop all these bits out using our pokey tool. Let's move some of this out of the way, and then you might be able to see. all our flowers here. You get the greenery with it as well, it's really pretty. And then take some of our yellow, and I'm going to get my cameraman, that bright yellow cardstock. Bright yellow, no that's cream, bright yellow, that's it. Thank you. So again, this is the Sizzix cardstock, so this is the brightest yellow we've got, and I'm just going to snip some little bits off and I'm going to stick those behind the flowers, like so. A little bit of glue there. Just pop that behind the flower just to give it some more colour, and again we'll do that with the red flower as well. Behind. There we go. So our frame now, so this heart's dry enough for us to do it. So we're going to add on little flowers now. So we'll use the big one first and we'll build up around the big one. So we'll pop that one down. And then just add the leaves in. Making sure it doesn't cover the words, so just position your leaves, that's it, so that you can still read all the words there. And this one I've cut from a slightly different green. Again, it's the Sizzix cardstock, but just so you can see it, cut from various greens. Again, just a little bit of glue on those. We'll pop that one in there, like so. And then just to give it kind of a finishing touch, just going to add some adhesive stones to that. Really quick, really simple, lovely little handmade gift. And there's our first frame. So we'll pop that one to the side, and I've got another one here. So again, take it all apart. Put those flowers to the side a second, because we're going to use those again in a minute. And this time I'm going to back the frame with some white cardstock, so we'll pop that one in there. And our cardstock. And again, I'm not using the glass, I'm just going to put that there, it makes the frame sit nicely. I'll pop the back on. And this way you know you've got your exact position, you know exactly where the aperture of the frame is, so it's much easier to see. Now I've got another sentiment written, and again it's been printed onto the Sizzix cardstock. So I'll just trim around that, and this time I'm going to use my circle framelets. So that fits perfectly in there. I'll die cut that. Sentiment out. I'm going to take another piece of white card, and I'm just going to do a slightly bigger circle. Although it's white on white, again it just gives it that added detail. Take this one. This time we'll do it on white. So this time I'm going to give it some dimension, so I'm going to use some 3D foam pads just to attach one circle to the other. those up like so, and then we'll stick this one down, and again this can dry while we're doing the die cutting of the flowers. Pop that one there, and again we'll put that to the side. These are really good actually, because you've got little flowers. They're really good for just using up all your little scraps of cardstock that you've got left over. Just trying to find the mini flower. Some green as well. There we go, so we've got it all squeezed onto there. The elements down here so that you can see them. Take the leaves as well. Just going to cut another small red flower there, and then I just need to cut a couple of centres from yellow for the smaller flowers. And there. Oh, where did that one go? Again, a tiny bit of yellow. And another small leaf. One more yellow centre and we're done. There we go. So we can pick up all the dies. So this time we're going to decorate around the circle. Again, I'm just going to trim a little bit of yellow to just add to the centre of these flowers. Just a little bit of glue on the back. Onto the back of this one. So now we're going to place the flowers on, again just kind of taking into account the words, we don't want any of the wording covered up, so we'll start with the big flower there, and then we'll add in our leaves. Put that one underneath. Just overlap them slightly so they actually look like a bunch of flowers. Poke it up. And then we've got a little branch there as well somewhere, so we'll pop that one on. Whoop. There we have it. So then we're just going to add some detail to the base as well. So add in these little flowers at the base. Again, there's the little centres that we cut. Purple one just slightly behind. And we've got our little leaves here as well. They can just pop out the side of the flowers. And there we go. Let's just add some stones and then in keeping with the other one. A couple of little sparkles around it. And there we have it. So there's that one. So now we've got both our little frames finished. So really good, I'd say quick, easy gifts. Even the children could help with these. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember, we've got lots of inspiration on the blog that we post regularly, on our Facebook page, on Instagram. If you've made anything, share it under my making story, because we love to see what you make. And I'll be back next week.